Hey everyone, welcome back. The wind was pretty strong outside, so no outdoor recording today, but I do have this nice natural lighting in my living room, so let's give this a shot. It's gonna be pretty short. I just want to say hi again and also encourage you to get on over to our new Discord. Discord is a message board um, platform, and you can access it either on their app or on the internet. It's really easy to sign up. And basically, I just thought of this because we've been kind of going back and forth with some kids about little side conversations on email. Kind of the same way that kids would pop into my class and just ask me simple questions. Maybe it's not related to the school assignment, but it's, what do you think of the show? What do you think of this video? You know, check out this YouTube video. Um, check out this Instagram. So I was missing all that little side talk, and I set up a Discord, and they're divided into my video class, which is 3 classes. So there's one section for video, then there's another section for my Photoshop class, and another section for my independent study. And for today's assignment, I want you to go into Discord, sign up, and start a post. Do a post. It can be, hey, testing, hello. It can be a picture or a cool video that you like. I just want you to know that the resource is there, and know a little bit about how to use it. After this clip, you can wait for a tutorial where I'm gonna do a screen recording and kind of go through how Discord works. If you feel confident, you can just go ahead and start posting. That's fine too. It is pretty easy. Make sure your screen name has your name in it. You know, I'm sure you guys have cool gamer tags, but it's just hard to tell who's who, and I want to give you points. I want to give you points for this. All these little daily tasks, I'm doing 5 points, but they are summative. So definitely the motivation to get that third quarter grade up while you still can. Like, here's an example of something I would put on Discord. Early shout out, Ariana. She asked, what is a good beginner digital camera? And we emailed back and forth a little bit, but if we were in class together, you know, we could kind of browse through a bunch of cameras on the big screen, and the class could talk about it, and we could all share ideas. Maybe one of you could be like, hey, I have this camera, you should get this one, or, you know, don't get this one for this reason. So like, I just want to bring everyone in on the conversations rather than having so many like one-on-one things. Same thing with Ken Mack. You know, Kenny's doing music videos he's making on his phone in his spare time. I think it'd be cool if he posted some of those on the Discord. So yeah, just stuff like that where you guys can share. Some more quick shout outs. Yep, it's shout out time. Takao, great job turning in your YouTube review. She reviewed the cafeteria food. I've been telling you guys, it's great content. And yeah, that's right, you can still turn in videos for third quarter, get those points. Yeah, she did a nice job. She rated, I think, the hamburger and potato wedges a 5 out of 10. So another shout out, Cameron from my independent study class. He created his own brand as part of his independent study, and he actually printed the shirts, and now he's selling them. Check these out. Yeah, if you want to get in touch with him, I think that would be another good Discord topic, but it's really cool. You know, he's not letting the pandemic thing stop his vision for this brand, FTN, and he's getting out there and spreading the word. I think he's got some good sales already, so shout out Cameron. Another shout out for Olivia. She did an awesome movie review on Juno. It was written out over the limit, over the word requirement. She really went above and beyond. I thought, really nice review, the kind of thing that, you know, you might see in a newspaper or a magazine. And she hit all the trends in Juno and all the themes that I wanted you folks to recognize. So really nice review, Olivia. Good job reviewing Juno. All right, now we're gonna go to the Discord tutorial. So you can turn this off and try Discord and see if you need it, or you can just keep watching. All right, see ya, bye.
All right, so this is what it looks like after you click the invite link to Discord. And you should see an introduction like this. And all I'm asking you to do is just make up a username. I'll take Lucky Lee. He was my TA last semester. He did a nice job. So if I were Lucky, remember, I want your full name in here. So if you just wrote like, username, Lucky Lee, and then 456, right? Some random number, because if it's already taken, it's not going to let you sign up. So I'm going to see if it's available. Press continue. Nice. All right, click this. This is on a desktop, by the way, a laptop computer. There it goes. And then you have to put in your email. I suggest doing your school email. Student name at, or whatever, mpsedu.org, and then you type in a password that you remember. Okay, so you should definitely remember that password. Then now you're in Discord. So you can see the channels here. It might be a little confusing at first, but general, these are the different parts where we can talk to each other. General is for everything in general. And then there's class specific ones. So the digital video class, the Photoshop class, the independent study class, they're all right there. So this is what it looks like now to me, because I have an account. I verified it with my email. I claim the account. They might send you a little test email where you have to go into your student email and confirm that you are a real person. So let's see, there's all these channels, right? General, video, Photoshop. So to post in here, all you do is you click in this little space. Hey, check out this, cool YouTube video I saw today. And you can just copy and paste. When you paste it, it creates a little preview, and then you can click and share and reply. Got all these options if you want to edit the message, delete it if you wrote something wrong. So yeah, that's all I want you to do is practice this, okay? Practice writing these messages. It can be as simple as this. Hello, everyone. There you go. You made a post. So you just need to know about these text channels and then how to post. If you want to start getting a little fancier, you can go into your user settings, change things like your profile, your appearance, edit, make a little profile picture. That's all I'm asking you for today.